Okay, so in this example, I have a voiceover that I cut for one of my school's promotional videos. I'll go ahead and play a second of it.
Construction Technologies. The Construction Technologies program prepares students for all sorts of opportunities in the construction field, like learning the basics in masonry, carpentry, electrical, and plumbing.
So as you can see, I have a different range of amplitude when I cut this original voiceover. So my decibels change. I have some around -9, some that look to go close to -2. So I basically have a lot of range of different audios. So what I can do in most basic audio editors, I'm using Adobe Audition in this example, is I can actually use my mouse and select areas and change the amplitude manually. So here I'm able to just drag it up and I can look and I try to start equalizing it out. If you want to get more advanced, you can actually use an equalizer, but when you're just getting started out, this is a really easy way to go through and equalize the levels or amplitude or decibels, whichever way you want to refer to them as in your lab, to try and match the audio. So now if I go back here and hit play,
The Construction Technologies program prepares students for all sorts of opportunities in the construction field, like learning the basics in masonry, carpentry, electrical.
so as you can see, I kind of leveled them out. I was peaking in some areas, but again, these are things I can go through with my mouse, and I can select little peaks, and I can raise and lower them as I needed. This is definitely something that you should attempt to do with most of your audio. If it's something that's going to allow you to have more time, you can go through and you can really see where there's areas that are standing out alone. Whether I, caught my breath there and decided to speak longer or whatever it may be. You can also go in and say, let's say this gap was a bigger deal. I can select an area and on my keyboard I can actually just hit delete and I can cut down the timing in my voiceover. So just a quick look at waveform editing. This is a single track view. Where I can kind of go in, change my amplitude, and again, you can see the frequency by the amount of spacing between our peaks here.